Hello everyone and welcome to the Enlarge Proficiency YouTube channel. Today, we are going to see and start to learn one of the famous RPA tools called UiPath. UiPath is an RPA tool that helps organizations to automate their mundane processes. Just like humans, robots will do things. There are three main components in UiPath: Studio, Robot, Orchestrator. Studio enables us to create processes by using activities. Robot executes the processes built in the studio, just like humans. Orchestrator is a web application that enables us to deploy, schedule, monitor, and manage robots and processes. Now, we will focus on the studio and then we will see the orchestrator in future videos. In today's session, we will look into Input Dialog, if activity, and how to convert a string to a secure string. To create a new project, choose Process, which helps us to create a blank project. When a new blank process appears, enter the process name, location, description, compatibility, and language. After clicking the Create button, it will land on the Designer panel. Then, create a sequence to explore the relevant activities. Drag Input Dialog activity from the Activities tab on the Designer panel. Now, we will get input from the user as a string and then we'll check the value by using the if condition. Ensure to create a string variable for the Input Dialog activity and choose Input Type as text box. Then use the if activity to check whether the string variable is equal to UiPath or not. To print the value, use the write-line activity for both the then and else blocks. Note that the shortcut to create a variable is Ctrl-K. Then click Run File to check the results. We can see the output for the write-line activities in the Output tab. Then, we will create an integer variable for Input Dialog to get input from the user as an integer and we'll check the condition as in the previous steps. Then click Run File to check the results. Now, this time we'll choose multiple choice for input type. In the Properties panel, we can see the options string the options for the user to select from. This field supports only string variables. First, we will enter 2 and 3 options which are separated by a semicolon. This will give a radio button as an option. Let's see that. And we'll run the file to check the results by using the if condition and write-line activity. If we provide 4 options, it will show as a drop-down instead of a radio button in the Input Dialog. Then, we will quickly check the same condition as in the previous steps. Now, we will see another option in the Properties panel called Options. Here, it will work as same as option string, but we should give the input in array format. Now, we will disable the if activity and drag the assign activity on the designer panel. Create a secure string variable and convert the user input variable to a secure string by using this expression. Then, we will use writeLine activities to print values. But we cannot see the secure string value as we secured that string. To print a secure string, we should convert from secure string to string type. Let's see that. I believe this will give an idea of how to convert a string to secure and from secure string to string type. Eventually, we will look at the isPassword option from the Properties panel that will treat the input value as a password. Note we cannot have both isPassword and option string or array at the same time. Even if it treats the input value as a password, we can see the value in the output panel. That's it for today's video. We will connect again in the next video to explore UiPath activities. If this video helps you, please subscribe, like and share the Enlarge Proficiency channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.